This is Dave Mann of Lotto Odds and Match 3 Colors. It is August 12th, 2024. I wanted to give you an update on what's going on with Lotto Odds and the mobile app. We are still working on the mobile app and tweaking it, testing it. As soon as we're done, I'm going to give you a quick look at it, and also I'll let you know when we're going to be releasing the final version in the Apple Store. After that, we're going to get an Android version and release it on Google Play. Now, but in the meantime, this is what we're working on as well, and we're going to release it to you. It's a very powerful filter. It's gonna work with this mobile web page, and combining with the other filters, okay, it's gonna help you reduce the numbers drastically and easy, okay. This one is going to get you a lot of wins with very few numbers, all right? Here, we have upgraded the binary column, right? The binary column here. We have put in 3 columns here, 3 sections, okay, that represent each digit. First digit, second digit, and third digit. So they have binary codes for all 3 digits here. You can see that right there. Then we added the bit count. Bit count is just counts the 1 digit. So here, see, you have 1 digit. There's 1 right there. Two ones here. There's 2. You have here 6. You see 1 1 1 1 1 1. That's 6. You see here 3 1 1 1 3. That's just basically what it is. It's just a quick look, but it's part of the filter we're creating right now for you that I'm going to show you, which is extremely powerful. All right, and then the third pattern is we color coded these like that, as you can see. Okay, this is going to help a great deal, especially when you players who are isolating the pair of sums and playing with them in combination with this binary column. It's going to be a killer. All right, so right now the binary column that you see here has just the first digit. We have just 1 binary code, which is for the first digit, right? But we're going to add this. I'm going to show you this killer filter right here, okay? Hold on, let me just flatten this. Just put this up like that. Flatten that. All right. This is what you're going to see. It has 3 patterns. The binary, the upgraded binary filter has 3 patterns. It has the color code, it has the bit count, and it has the bits itself. This is awesome, okay? So you have this column here, binary, right? You're able to utilize this filter to reduce the numbers drastically, and it's going to help quite a bit, okay? And the thing is as well, we have this filter here with the column. If you click that down, you will see the bits, you will see the bit count, and you'll see the color code here. Okay, we're going to change the color code because when I do that, it isolates it. We don't want it to isolate, we want it to remove it. So say, for example, you see purple, hold on, let's close this. You see blue hit back to back, and you think blue's not going to hit, then you'll be able to isolate, or I should say remove blue, and be able to just see what colors came out. Okay, if you remove blue. It gives you another idea on how to look at the patterns better and what may come out next. All right, it's better when you isolate them. Let me just do a quick isolation because actually, if I go down to Texas, because Texas 912, Texas is due. 912 for Texas is due. Let me just isolate this so you get a better picture. Alright, so now you got isolate 912. Alright, I'm going to turn this back on. Hold on. Alright, see, we're still working on this. Alright, for you. Alright, the color we're still working on. You know what, if I refresh it. Alright, we'll have it done today, because we're still working on this. Go back to Texas. Let's do 912. Alright. Let it catch up. So now we got 912 isolated. All right, so you can see what colors there are. I'm not going to touch the colors right now because we're up. Actually, at this moment, we're updating it. But you see here the big count. Look at this, 0000. Right? If you think that's not going to hit, what you do is you turn that off like that. You see, it's going to be so cool. And then it shows you when you remove the 00s, it shows you what would be next right behind it. So if you look at here, like at the third digit, you've got 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're looking at a 0, 0. We took out 0, 0, so the only other one that could come out is 10. So you turn off all this and you leave the 10 on. And there's your pattern right there. Oh yes. Oh yeah. And that was July 13th. Look at that. 000110. Okay, that's the way you can do that. And then you can take it down here, and when we put this, right, this in here, you can mimic what you just did up in the chart. Okay, the chart allows you to utilize the filters, okay, up top, to be able to identify what patterns would remain if you took out certain patterns based on them hitting back to back. And then you take that pattern that you identified, and then now you implement it with this filter, okay, and it leaves you very few numbers. All right, I will make a video when we finish this filter. Hopefully we'll be done with it by Wednesday, and then I'll release it to you guys all at once, and then I'll make a practice video, and you're going to see how awesome this is and how powerful this is. This will be in the mobile app, okay? And it's going to help a great deal. All right? I wish you the best.